Looking for the right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options, and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today, request more information, and set up a test drive right away. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power lift gate, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, electronic stability control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.